What's up? What's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? So today I am doing a haul on my Pretty Little Things pieces, baby. I have been collecting pieces and pieces and pieces of Pretty Little Things. I've been ordering since I think since early February. I have my computer right here. Since early February, I've been placing orders and they just been collecting over here in the corner, and I'm doing a video on this today. Okay, today, baby. I need to clean up all this mess over here. Let me show you. I have bags here, over there, boxes. I gotta get it together, okay? I'm tired of stepping over stuff and I need to, come at y'all with another video. So here we are today. So I think I'm gonna split this up in two videos because I have a ton of stuff, and I think I want to do the shoes separately from the clothing pieces. And I think I only got like 3 pairs of shoes, but I still want to kind of do that separately because I don't need a long ass video, baby, because the editing process when it's a long video be making my head hurt, okay? And I ain't got time for that. I'm gonna split this up into 2 videos and let's get started. So I literally have 3 clothing packages for Pretty Little Things and 1 package for shoes for Pretty Little Things. So in this part 1, I'm gonna do the clothing. So let me just pick one up. I'm gonna grab this one right here. It's a smaller package. You get some scissors, baby. I don't even remember what I ordered for real, because it's been a minute. Hey, chocolate, baby. Y'all already know. Chocolate. Look, chocolate. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Right, so in this package, the smallest package is 5 things. So I'm gonna start with this one. All right. So this right here is the chocolate ribbed button down bikini bottoms, baby. Oh, bikini bottoms. Okay, chocolate ribs. Baby. That little button up on the front, baby. Deep cut leg action. This is the color on my skin. Not very chocolate. The crotch area is like, seems really long. Like, it seems unnaturally long. Is this high waist? It doesn't say high waist, but it's like, okay. Well, anyways, I got this for $4.50. It was $5, and I got it for $4.50, which was 10% off the $5. So that's that for you. Next up is the chocolate knot front headscarf. Okay, chocolate knot front headscarf. And this was $7, 10% off, $6.30. And this is what we looking like. Okay. How I'm looking, y'all? Wait, let me. Okay, chocolate knot headscarf. It's cute. Okay, let me get a close up. Y'all see the details. Okay, that's cute. Next, this is the basic chocolate jersey racer back crop top. $6, got it for $5.40. This is cute. It's definitely chocolate. It's definitely chocolate. It's like milk chocolate, baby. Feels like cotton, nothing crazy. It's cute. This is cute. Just throw it on, with some jeans. It's cute, This, I like that. I like this. I like this. Next is the petite chocolate structured contoured rib cycle shorts, and these were $13 on sale for $11.70. Yeah, these cute. You see the ribbed detailing and the nice waistband, baby. Yes, these are cute. Ugh, I love my chocolates. Next up, well, the last one in this particular package is chocolate slinky fitted racer crop top. These were $13 on sale for $11.70. It's looking like this. Softer, more slinky material than the other cotton, really chocolate one that I had. But this is how it looks on my skin. and it's cute. It's a racer back. Yes, baby. I'm gonna open up this one right here. This is a big one, y'all. This is a big one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wow. That's a lot of stuff in here. All right, I'm excited for this one. Okay, so, and this package is the chocolate strappy mesh ruched mixati. Wait, hold on. What? Bitch. What did it say? Mixati? Okay. Okay. Y'all gonna see the picture. Mixati? Long chocolate dress. This is cute for going to like a little, you know, cocktail dinner, you know, a nice little date night. That's how it looks on my skin, baby. And it's pretty long. It goes past the knees, and then the end part is sheer. It's super long, and the picture will show you everything you need to know about this because it is cute and it's giving me yes, baby. Okay, so that's that. Oh, the price on this was $24, on sale for $21.60. Super cute. Can't wait to wear that. All right. Next, I know these ain't biker shorts. I think it's the same ones I just. Chocolate structured contour rib. Oh, this is skirt. Okay, so this is the skirt that's similar to the biker shorts I had before. It's giving me burgundy-ish a little bit. And that is the detailing on it. And yes, this is a chocolate structured contour rib mini skirt. $12. Got it for $10.80. That's the waistline, baby. Yes. Can't wait to rock the back. Okay. Next in line, we have the Camel Heavy Rib Lounge Jogger. Alrighty, these were $23. Got it for $20.70. It's a nice material. Oh my gosh. These are the ankles right here. Ribbed. It's the waistline, baby. Yes. Come through, baby. Yes, these are cute. Next is the Shape Stone Velour Lace-Up Side Shorts, baby. And these were $20. Got it for $18. These are the shorts. You got detailing on the side, drawstring on the front. Yes, this is velour. Yes, and I have the matching top. Don't fret. So I got the matching top coming right up. Here we go, baby. It is the velour lace-up corset top. And this is also $20. Got it for $18. Ooh, baby girl. Cups, lace up, other cup. It's cute. Next in line is the Mocha Stretchy Slinky Cup Detail Strappy Bodysuit, baby. And this was $10. Got it on sale for $9. Whoop-de-doo. $1. This is what we looking like right here. Little cups, okay? Definitely a thong, okay? This is how it looks on my skin. Yes, I can't wait to slide up in this, baby. Okay. Yes. Now we have the dark brown slinky high waist leggings. Very chocolate brown. And they're very soft. There's nothing much to it to explain. They're leggings. This is how the ankle looks. Yeah, it's nothing really much to it, but they're cute. They're gonna look real cute on my body yaddy yaddy, baby. Next we have, it looks like a hoodie. Yup. Mocha crop zip hoodie. And this was $19. Got it for $7. Nice hoodie. Skin hoodie. Cute. This is the Mocha Mesh Ruched High Neck Crop Top, baby. And I pretty much got this because I thought it would be cute for vacation as like a cover up for my bathing suits. So that's pretty much what this is for. I don't really plan on wearing this out and about because as you can see everything. Okay. So yes, this is really cute though. It was $13, got it for $11.70. Real cute. It's gonna be real cute on my skin on top of my bathing suit this summer. So that's that. And last but not least in this particular package, double zip through cropped hooded jacket. Tongue twister. Okay. And this was $22, got it for $19.80. Cute. Super soft. Ooh, it's gonna be super comfortable in the fall. And look at the color. It says it's brown, but it's giving me a little bit of a maroon color, but I still rock with that too. Last package, but not least. Let's see what we got in here. What we get. Alright, so I had to dig way deep for this order because I placed this order back in January 2021, y'all. Yes, that's how long these packages have been sitting in here. So, let's get to this one. Alright, this right here is the chocolate stretch satin thong. This was 10 bucks. I don't think I had a sale on this because I don't see any discounts on the screen. So, this is so pretty. God, look at the satin. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Ooh. I like these. I like these. Look at it against my skin. Like, oh my gosh. Ooh. I need a matching bra for this. For sure. Alright. Next up is the chocolate ribs high waist knicker. Okay, knicker. Alright, knicker. Where's this at? Where's the knicker? I don't see the knicker. What the fuck is a knicker? Why do these look so big? Look how big these look. Y'all. Wait a minute now. Wait a goddamn minute. Did I order this? Because chocolate ribs high waist knicker. That's not even on my invoice here. So what's going on? Alright, so I'm not sure about the knickers, y'all. Like, I mean, it has a cute little, pretty little thing. Detailing right there. Little hardware, but next is Shape Mocha Mesh Seam Detail Bodycon Skirt. Alright, so this one was 5 bucks. I like that. I like the sound of that. So, it is a sheer skirts. Sheer see-through skirt. Just ass out, baby. Just ass out. Okay. But I got this for summertime to put over my swimsuit. It had a matching top, but it was sold out, so I didn't get the matching top on this. But I got the other top in hopes that it will match this. And this is a skirt, and then this is the top that I showed you before. And they're not the same color, but the stitching on the skirt matches with the top, so I can still rock it. And they are the same mesh material, and this will definitely be a cover-up to my swimsuit this summer. So when I'm on vacation, because I do want to go on vacation. When I'm on vacation, this is what it's going to be right here. So that's that, baby. Next. Whew, it's a lot of stuff. This is the Pretty Little Thing Petite Chocolate Cropped Hoodie. Another hoodie? The crop part is definitely cut off, which is cute. And then it has a detailing right there that says University of Pretty Little Thing. That is adorable. It's very lightweight, and I like this for sure. And I think I got the bottoms to match this, so let me find that. Oh, and that was 12. Did I say that? Probably. So this is the bottom to match that. And it's called the Pretty Little Thing Petite Chocolate Jogger. And this one was 15. Nice waistband. Here is the ankle. And it also has the detailing right there on the leg or the upper thigh. University of Pretty Little Thing. Super cute. Lightweight. Yes. Alright, so this is the chocolate ribbed high waist thong. And this was $12. And it's cute. It's giving me a lot of material for a thong. I mean, for my thongs, I like little to no material, or like a G-string. It's giving me a lot of material for a thong. But on the model, it looks cute. So, yeah. And that's what it looks like on my skin. Alright. Damn, there's more. This is brown satin underbust halter neck chiffon strap crop top. Ooh, this was $24. I must have had a discount code or something because, baby, This is a little bit interesting. It has that closure in the back, and it is definitely satin mesh. It's cute. Next, Stone Slinky Ruched Side Detail Bodycon Skirt, and $9. It's giving me long. On the model, it's giving me mini. In person, it's giving me long, but I guess, you know, you could kind of like hike it up a little bit on the side because it does have the ruched detailing. So it's giving me nude skirt. Okay, it's very slinky material too, like the description says. Brown snake overlocked mesh strappy bodycon dress, and this is what Tiana Taylor was wearing, and this says it was $22, and I know damn well I did not buy this for $22 because, baby, do you see this little bitty piece of material? It's one shoulder. It's gonna be real cute on. And I got the matching headscarf, which was $12. It's called Brown Snake Mesh Bandana. This is the bandana, and this is the dress. So, bam. I'm gonna rock the fuck out of this outfit, y'all, for real. But yes, that was one hell of a haul. I have a huge pile on the floor right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this part 1 of my Pretty Little Thing haul, because baby girl, I got a lot of stuff. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know down below which item, which piece you liked the best. Let me know if you're gonna go shop on the sites, and don't forget to comment. Yeah, I said that. Leave a thumbs up. What else? Subscribe to my channel, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and I'll see y'all next time. Later.